And so the second half is underway. They took quite the thrashing in that first 45. Can they turn things around now? Rodrigo. Koke. Beautifully weighted ball. And he's made it a brace for himself. The defender's just unable to stay with him. And he's having a field day.
Well, the coaches will tell you, pass the ball how you would like to receive it. Perfectly weighted, and he finished it off brilliantly.
Well, it's been such a one-sided game. You just wonder how many more they could add. Just not looking confident in possession. Rodrigo. Oh, he fancies his chances. Well, he didn't catch it the way he intended on the volley.
No, on volleys, you've got to keep your eye on the ball, and he just wavered a little bit. Not one he'd be looking back on very fondly.
Untidy in possession. Rodrigo running towards goal. Well, they can say a big thank you to the goalkeeper. That was inspirational.
Well, that's as good as a goal at the other end. Brilliant save from the keeper.
He's driven in the corner. Well, a sloppy clearance. What can the opposition do with this? Nacho Fernandez. And he takes on the shot. Terrific block there. And he's fired over the corner. No one able to do any damage with it. It should be. And it's 2 for him today. A masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop him.
Well, I can tell you, Derek, when I got into this position, it was panic stations. Hit it as hard as you can. But that's a lovely, lovely controlled finish. In step, in the goal.
And we're underway again. This game very much over as a contest. Went in strongly, decisively. Moving forward effectively. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. And it crossed the byline. A goal kick as a result. Now you've got to try to make it a bit more difficult for your opponent than that. And the attacking options appear plentiful. Suso. Well, that's how to do it defensively. Casemiro there. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. And Rodrigo has it. Good-looking sequence. His third goal of the match, and you cannot argue with that.
Well, he's tearing this defence apart. They can't cope with him.
So they restart the game, and only one team in it.
Number 17,
Nacho Fernandez. Santi Mina. Marcos Llorente. He continues his run. Possession lost. This might be ideal for the counter. And Rodrigo has it. Opportunity it is. Well, fortune didn't favour him. Off the post and out of play.
Well, he's really unlucky. It was worth an effort, that's for sure.
Marco Asensio. Now Casemiro. Superbly read and executed. Marcos Llorente. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. Casemiro. Now Jordi Alba. Hanging on to the ball in this fashion suits them.
Well, Derek, if you don't close down, you don't work hard without the ball, you don't put a shift in, you end up with a performance and an atmosphere like this. The fans are not very happy at all. Been poor today.
Jesus Navas. Casemiro. Bartra has it. Nacho Fernandez. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count.
The visitors have had total control of possession, and what that does, it just relaxes the team. If you've got the ball, you enjoy the ball, and they're turning it into goals as well.
Bartra. Into the advanced position. Genuinely thought they might cash in on that occasion, but haven't been able to do so. Ball's gone. They've regained possession. Ieramendi. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Koke. And that is how to endear yourself to the fans in your debut.
Well, he's in dreamland. It's all going to plan and then some.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now.
20, Koke.
Victor Osimhen. Suso has it. Straight down the throat of the opposition. Will be breathing a sigh of relief. Ball one. And the attack fades out. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Asensio, opportunity to deliver the cross. Happy to take on the shot. And the ball is in the net.
The crowd have gone crazy, and quite rightly so. What a finish that is. Well, here it is, a striker's bread and butter, simple finish, but it's the positioning that gets him the goal.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, and the referee blows for full time. This could be an interesting avenue. Running towards goal. And the ball is in the net.
The crowd have gone crazy, and quite rightly so. What a finish.